let us take one more example. What it says, a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? Okay, what it says कि एक rhombus field है, rhombus shaped field है 30 मीटर. दिस इज 30 मीटर. इसकी साइड जो है 30 मीटर है एंड वी नो दैट ईच साइड्स आर इक्वल. ईच साइड 30 मीटर है. अ लॉन्गर डायमीटर इज गिवन एज 48 मीटर. नाउ ABCD is a rhombus field, then AC is equal to 48 मीटर. तो ये पूछ रहा है कि हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विल ईच काउ विल गेट. ये पूरा ग्रास फील्ड है, इसमें 18 काउस को 18 काउस को ग्रेस करना है, खाना खाना है. तो इसको हम कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे? इस पूरे एरिया को हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे और उसको 18 काउस के बीच में इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे. लेट अज्यूमिंग कि ऑल आर ईटिंग इक्वल एरिया इन इक्वल एरिया, है ना. तो इसको हमको एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? हमको रोम्बस की साइड्स दी हुई हैं और हमें डायगोनल दिया हुआ है. तो अब ये देखिए, ये दो ट्राइंगल्स में डिवाइड हो गया है, पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2. ओके, पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 यानी एक ट्राइंगल ये, एक ट्राइंगल ये, इन दोनों के एरियाज को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो हमारा इसका रोम्बस का एरिया आ जाएगा. बट ये दोनों ट्राइंगल इक्वल होंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि एक रोम्बस को, एक पैरेललोग्राम को अगर हम डायगोनल से डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये दोनों पार्ट इक्वल आते हैं. तो अगर हम एक का एरिया निकालें और उसको डबल कर दें तो हमारा रोम्बस का एरिया आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी कैसे करेंगे हम लोग, है ना. एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस ABCD इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स एरिया ABC. क्यों? क्योंकि डायगोनल डिवाइडिंग पैरेललोग्राम, डायगोनल AC डिवाइडिंग पैरेललोग्राम ABCD in congruent triangles, in two congruent triangles. ठीक है, दो congruent triangle में डिवाइड करता है तो ये 2 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल. तो एरिया निकालना है हमें ऑफ ABC, ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालना है. व्हाट it will be by Heron's formula. We know all the 3 sides of a triangle, so we apply Heron's formula. Okay, so what about S? Now S is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 30 plus 30 plus 48 divided by 2, and it comes out to be 54. Now S minus A, that is if you take A is 30, then 54 minus 30, that is 24. S minus B is equal to 54 minus 30, again that is again 24, and S minus C is equal to 54 minus 48, that is 6. Okay, we know S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. If we put it here, then area will be equal to, that is 54 into 24 into 24 into 6. इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 24 will come out from this pair. Okay, now it is 9 into 6. 54 is equal to 9 into 6, and this 6 is left over here. Now this comes out to be 24 into this 6 into 3. And that will be equal to 432 meter square. This is the area of triangle ABC. Now this area of ABCD is equal to 2 times from equation 1 is equal to 2 into 432, that is 864 meter square. The area of ABCD is equal to 864 meter square. But this area is to be divided among 18 parts, है ना. area for each cows is equal to total area upon number of cows. That is 864 divided by 18. And that comes out to be 48 meter square. Let us take another example. What it says, a field in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are given to us 25 and 10 meters and non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meters. Find the area of that field. Okay, a field is there, a trapezium ABCD is a field in the shape of trapezium. Okay, and we have to find the area of this. So how can we go like that? If it had been, now first of all, if we draw a parallel line CE parallel to AD. Okay, then what we can see? We can see a parallelogram here and we can see a triangle here. So the area of trapezium will become the area of this parallelogram and the area of this triangle. Okay, so now what to construct? Construct CE parallel to DA. Now construct CE parallel to DA. Okay. Yeah. Now, what is the length of CE? CE is equal to 14 meter. 14 meter. Okay. What about EB? Now, since it is a parallelogram, two parallel lines, this AE is equal to 10 meter. Now, AE will become 10 meter and EB will become 15 meter. This is 15 meter, this is 10 meter, and this will look like that. Now, if we draw a perpendicular here, let us take its point as F. Okay. Now we have to find the area of this parallelogram and the area of this triangle. So what is the area of triangle? Now area of ABCD is equal to area of AECD plus area of triangle CEB. Okay, so what is the area of this triangle? First of all, we will find the area of triangle CEB. We know all the three sides using Heron's formula. What is S here? S is equal to 14 plus 13 plus 15 divided by 2. Okay. When we solve it, it will equal to 21. What about S minus A? S minus B and S minus C. Okay, now putting these values here, this area will become 21 into 7 into 8 into 6. Now if we solve that, simplify 7 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. Now take pairs out. 7, 3 and 3, it is 3, 2 and 2, it is 2, and 2 for 4. Okay, and that all is become equal to 84 meter square. Now the area of this triangle is equal to 84 meter square. Okay, and now we have to find out the area of this parallelogram. How can we find that? Area of parallelogram AECD. What is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram says base into height. Okay, base into height. What is base here? That is 10. And what about height? Height is CF. We drew a perpendicular here, and this perpendicular is the height of this parallelogram, that is CF. Okay, but we do not know what is the value of CF. If we could find the value of CF and we will place here, we can get the value of parallelogram. How we can find the value of CF? Now you see, the CF is the height for this parallelogram AECD. Also, it is the height for the triangle of CEB. CF is the height for the triangle of CEB. And we know that area of triangle CEB is equal to half into base of triangle and height. And this area is 84, that is half into what is base? Base is 15. And height H we have to find out. Height H is CF. From this CF, we can find out CF, that is 56 upon 5. We write it like this only, then we will move forward. Okay. Now we know CF, putting the value of CF in this area AECD is equal to 10 into CF. CF is 56/5. That comes out to be 112 meter square. The area of parallelogram is equal to 112 meter square. Area of triangle is equal to 84 meter square. Then what about the area of trapezium? Area ABCD is equal to 84 plus 112 meter square. That comes out to be 196 meter square.